Breach confirmed! Moving in!
Watch your sectors!
Get... Don't move. Don't move. Get on the ground now. Hey, stop! Get back here now.
We know you're hiding something. Tell us who you work for.
You think this is a game?
Give us the name now. We can protect you.
Go on, Rex. Up, up. Good boy.
We now believe this is connected to a larger smuggling ring.
Wait, Captain. That's him. That's Silas. I'm sure of it.
Son of a... They actually did it. Now it's personal.
Okay, he's got the package. Brown paper bag.
Copy that. He's looking back. Stay tight on him. Get off the ground now. Stay down, hands behind your back.
They arrested Marcus about an hour ago.
Are you... God damn it.
He's hitting on the jacket. Same scent as the warehouse.
Confirmed.
Everything accounted for?
Almost done, boss. Just 2 more pallets.
I've got a lock. The waterfront shipping yard.
Gear up. We're moving now.
The target is this yellow container, marked with an X. We'll approach from the south, secure the perimeter first, then move in fast.
All right, team, eyes on the target. Let's move out. Rex, you ready?
Moving up.
Faster, we need to clear this bay now. Boss, the alarm. We got trouble.
Breach confirmed! Moving in!
Watch your sectors!
Get... Police!
Get to the catwalk. Rex, up!
Stop right there.
Get him, Rex! Hands where I can see him. Get down on the ground now.
All right, I'm coming down.
Get away from me! Ah, you bastard dog. Get it off!
Move in, move in! Suspect is down. Get the cuffs on him now.
You two did good work.
We got him, Detective.
We are incredibly proud of Officer Miller and Rex. Their bravery has dismantled Silas's criminal enterprise.
The wound is healing well, and he'll make a full recovery.
Oh, that is such a relief. Good boy.
They can't prove intent. We attack the chain of custody on the evidence and file for immediate dismissal.
We're looking at a full acquittal.
I swear, the rookie thought the siren was the coffee machine.
You're kidding me. That's unbelievable.
Honestly, I think the paperwork is the hardest part of this one.
Yeah, it's nice to have a quiet week for once.
I'll drink to that. Or, eat this burger.
He's checking every box very carefully. And look at that, he found it. Great job, buddy.
Rex usually doesn't get to socialize this much. He's loving it.
They look like they're having a great time together.
The last of the paperwork.
Thank you, Detective. This makes the case completely airtight.
Yo, did you see who just rolled up?
Yeah, Miller and the dog. Let's get out of here.
It's okay, we're here to help you. You're safe now.
Doggy, save me.
For your bravery in the Silas case and finding the lost child, this commendation is well deserved.
Thank you, Captain. We appreciate it.
Go ahead, Rex. Pick whichever one you like. Oh, you like the chicken. Good boy.
Discipline is everything out here. Rex understands that better than most officers I've worked with, including Silas. Pay attention to his focus.
Good boy, Rex. That's exactly what we're looking for, gentlemen.
The dog tracked him right to the warehouse. Smartest partner I ever had.
What was the biggest challenge during the Silas raid?
Keeping the perimeter secure.
Silas, the court has reached a decision. Your final appeal has been denied. There are no further legal avenues.
Up, Rex. Good boy, keep going. Over the top, let's go. Good job.
Do you have anything illegal in the car that I should know about?
Yes, sir, I do. There's a small amount of meth in the center console.
The Silas case is a prime example of the K-9 unit's effectiveness. With this increased funding, we can ensure the safety and security of our city.
Attention, please remain behind the barricades as the K-9 unit completes their sweep. The governor will be arriving shortly.
It's important to remember that these dogs aren't just tools. They are highly trained, and they are absolutely our fellow officers.
Congratulations, Jones. The best partner a cop could ask for.
Thank you both. It's been an honor serving with you. We'll miss you at the precinct. Enjoy retirement. 30 years, Captain. Hard to believe it's finally here. Rex has taken it easy already.
You both certainly earned it, Miller. We're gonna miss you too. Cheers to the next chapter.
Get the toy. Good job.
He reminds me of you when you were young, Rex.
It's just you and me now, boy. Time for an adventure.
You're the best partner I ever had. Rest easy now. I love you, buddy.